Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to reinstall WordPress on cPanel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe, how to earn minute. So as you can see, my current WordPress website, and right now I'm going to delete this current website, and after deleting I will reinstall WordPress to my domain. So for doing that, open File Manager and open public HTML and click on select all, delete. So we have to delete all those files from our public HTML folder. Then I'm going to refresh my website, and here we can see no website is available inside of this domain. So now let's see how to reinstall WordPress website. So again, open your file cPanel and then go to WordPress Manager, softaculous, and now click on install and choose your protocol. If you don't have the SSL certificate, then you can choose HTTP or HTTP www. And if you have SSL certificate, then you can select HTTPS or HTTPS www. So I'm going to select here HTTPS, then click here and select your domain name where you want to install your WordPress website, and you can give your directory here, and then click here to select a WordPress version. And site settings, here you have to put your site name, site description, and admin account. Here you have to give your WordPress admin username and user password, and make sure to note these username and password to sign in into your WordPress dashboard in future. And then here you have to put your email address and then click on install. So as you can see, I successfully installed WordPress to my domain. So I'm going to open this domain from here, and then here we can see a simple and basic website. WordPress website has been installed. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to earn minute. Thank you for watching.